Eat your breakfast. Brush your teeth every morning and night. This keeps them clean and healthy.
Wash your face with soap. First, get your hands wet. Now, rub the soap on your face. I play cricket in the ground. I hit the ball. That was fun.
I go to the doctor.
I go to the doctor.
The doctor helps me.
The doctor helps me.
Good job.
I am cooking food.
I am cooking food.
Look at the soup. I am cooking food.
I hug my mother.
I love your hug, sweetie.
Me too. I order food online. I choose pizza and a burger. Then I pay and it's done.
I work on computer every day. I wake up early in morning. I fold the laundry. I iron the clothes. This makes them smooth. It's easy and fun. I reply to messages on smartphone. I type my reply, then I send it. It's easy. I am doing my homework. I am writing in my notebook. I like doing homework. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes.
I am feeling happy. Let's learn to say it together. I am feeling happy. I am feeling hungry.
I bake the cookies. I roll the dough. I use the cookie cutter. I put it on the tray. I am drinking water. I am drinking water. Hello, I am calling my friend. I have some exciting news to tell her. I buy the groceries. I made the tea. You can make tea too. I ride my bike. I ride my bike.
I eat the vegetable salad. Yummy. I love eating healthy.
Get on the bus. Let's go! I reply to emails on my laptop. First, I type my message. Then, I click send. I drink the milk. Drinking milk is good for you. I sit on the sofa. Now I stand up. And now I sit down again. I turn on the stove.
I drive to work. I drive to work.
I wear wristwatch. Wristwatch.